Hello, guys. Good morning. Welcome to our live trading session for today. So, as usual, we'll be analyzing the market and we'll be looking for possible entry opportunities. All right. So, today is Monday. It's a new week. Another great week, to look out for entry opportunities and make money from the forex market. So, if you haven't found your account or you don't have, enough balance, honestly, you are really missing out. Fund your account because I'll be providing free signals here. And aside, the signals I provide here, I also have a premium group where I give signals, market reports, and market analysis. So to become a member of this premium group, what you have to do is fund your account on this live stream. You see that banner where deposit with benefit is written on? If you click on the banner, it will take you to the deposit page. So when you get to the deposit page, if you deposit $10 will get you into the premium group for 2 weeks. If you deposit up to $15 will get you into the premium group for 1 month. And if you deposit up to $200 will get you into the premium group for 1 month. And then you also get a one-on-one live trading session with me. All right. So guys, uh, take advantage of joining the premium group. Honestly, you won't regret joining. I'm very sure my premium members who are here, with us here live, they'll be able to testify to the trades and the win rate, we've had over the weeks. Uh, so yeah, just make sure to fund your account. Fund at least $10, as I've said earlier. You can even fund $10 to try out, to test out the signals. That will get you into the premium group for 2 weeks. All right. So let's go to the market and see what's going on. Let's see if there's an opportunity for us today. Okay, so this is Ethereum USDT, right? This is Ethereum USDT 1 hour time frame. So these are movement that was created, during the weekend. As you all know, the crypto instruments don't go to sleep, all right? Unlike the forex instruments. So forex opens Sunday night 10 p.m. And closes Friday night 10 p.m. All right. So, but for crypto, it's different. The market is always moving. All right. So these are the movements the market made over the weekend. Um, you can see beautiful moves. The market had came down, to this level, um, came back to that same trend line level again, made another retest. And after this retest, you see we have another minor retest that happened here before the market finally took off to the upside and then went straight to the upper trend line channel. So right now we can actually look out for entry opportunity from this. I believe the market is going to continue to go down for a while. So yeah, we can go to the lower time frame, let's say the 5 minutes time frame, to analyze the market and see where the market is heading to. Okay, we want to know if the market would really go down or if the bearish move is just going to be, a small move. Right. So all of this you can get with your analysis. So we have this high, we have this low, we have another high here, and this is our lower time frame low. Okay, so this can, we can use this as our shift in the market structure. Okay, and I like the way the market has moved from that point, because above it uh, we have a fair value gap, and we have another block. All right, so we can make this our entry point. Let's use the 50%, or let's just use, since this is the lower time frame, let's just use you know, the starting point of the fair value gap. Right. So now the next thing to look out for is the reversal. Okay, we need the market to come back to this point, and when it gets to this point, we want to see a rejection candle. Okay, I want to see the market creating a rejection. So once we have a rejection here, the market will go down. Okay, the market would fall to at least this level. So this is the next point of interest where the market can take off, because if you look at what has happened here earlier, we have a liquidity around this level. Okay, we have a liquidity, and the market took out liquidity here. Okay, the market took out liquidity. So the market didn't just take out liquidity. We also have a fair value gap the market reacted from. Okay, so we have a fair value gap. The market reacted from the fair value gap and then took out liquidity. So we have a fair value gap. All right, we have a fair value gap. We have liquidity taken out. And then we have another fair value gap here. Right. So those are gaps that can push the market to the upside. Right. Those are gaps that can push the market to the upside. So our entry will be here. Our take profit, we can move our take profit. We can draw our take profit to this point. Let's make that a round figure. Okay, so this is my risk to reward ratio here is 2.00 risk to reward ratio. Okay, which simply means that if you are risking one, you are making double. All right, if you are risking $10 on this trade, you are making $20. All right, so yeah, we have our stop loss. Okay, and our stop loss is on a level where I don't think the market would go to. Okay, so whatever will make this market go above this level, the market will continue to go up. Right. So yeah, we have analysis on Ethereum USDT. Okay, we have analysis on Ethereum USDT. So this is the 5 minutes time frame, and with just a little move, the market will just come back in here, and then when it's going down, we follow the market to the downside. All right, and as I've said earlier, we have levels that can push the market to the initial direction. Okay, so we have levels that can push the market back to the current direction. Okay, so that's why I set my take profit above the levels. Okay, I don't want the market, I don't want my take profit to be anywhere close to, the levels where I have. So I don't want it close to the level where I have my fair value gap or my other block. Right. So that's the analysis for Ethereum USDT. Okay, so if you are a lover of crypto instruments, if you love to trade, if you like to trade the crypto instruments, this is an analysis for you. I'll come back to check on this. I also like to trade the crypto instruments, so I'll be keeping an eye on this analysis. And once it goes back to this entry point, this price point, I'll make sure to alert you guys, and we'll open the position together. So yeah, we have limited time. Our session is scheduled for just an hour. So let's make more analysis. Let's analyze other crypto markets. Okay. So the one we just did analysis on, is Ethereum USDT. So let's analyze BTC USDT. Okay. So in fact, you can use BTC USDT. You can make analysis, and just to give you like another confirmation. All right. Um, so if you make analysis on, let's say, Ethereum USDT, and you make analysis on BTC USDT, and both of them are giving you the same direction, it simply means that your analysis is, you know, the accuracy is higher. All right. So if you made analysis from Ethereum and to you, your analysis is, let's say, like 70%, you you are sure that your analysis is 70%. If you make analysis, if you then go ahead and make analysis on BTC USDT, and it's giving you the same analysis, it's giving you the same direction, your 70% can now go as high as 90%. Okay, I'm telling you, those pairs works similar. Okay, their moves are similar. They have different price though, but they have similar moves. So whenever BTC USDT is saying the market is going down, Ethereum will also follow the direction. Okay, so it might not be immediately. Okay, in fact, sometimes there can be 1 hour interval, but it will surely go the same direction BTC has predicted. All right, so now let's go to BTC USDT and see what's going on. So this is the 5 minutes time frame, just as we have it on Ethereum USDT. But I would like to go up further to see if, because this is an analysis from last week, I want to delete everything there and make a fresh analysis. Let's see if there's anything different this time around. Okay. All right. So on BTC USDT, the market broke out of a zone. Okay, the market broke out of a resistance zone, and that has given power to the bulls. Okay, making the market go bullish. But there's another thing here. On the 2 hour time frame, we have this liquidity zone. Okay, we have this liquidity level. So the market actually took out liquidity here. And after taking liquidity, the market still went ahead and gave us this level where the market shifted structure. Okay, so we have a shift in the market structure, which is labeled as CH, change of character. So after that, the market went ahead. So the market got to this level, you see. So right now, I think this market is going to continue to go down because this is a level, this is a strong level where the market would definitely make, a big move. Okay, the market would definitely make a move from this level. So now let's go down to the lower time frame. Okay, we want to go to the lower time frame. So this is the 15 minutes time frame, but the market had already moved, way past our entry point on the 15 minutes time frame. So let's drop down to the lower time frame, to the 5 minutes time frame. Let's see if we can get, if there's any point in the market, we can wait for a retest. And yes, we do have a level we can wait for a retest. So the market had earlier came to this level. All right, so on the lower time frame, we have liquidity purge, we have the shift in the market structure. So just as we have it on Ethereum USDT, we just need the market to go back, to anywhere around this level, retest the other block or retest the fair value gap. And once it's making the obvious move, we follow the market to the direction it's heading towards. So this is my level. So my stop loss is going to be here, and my take profits will be around this level. So this is a level the market hasn't violated yet. Okay, and I'm expecting the market. If this market will drop down, since what we have here is a bullish movement, it's best, to take a short opportunity from the market. Look for points where you think the market, can continue its trend, and make sure your take profit doesn't go beyond that level. All right. So right now we have, you know, the 5 minutes candle trying to get to our entry point. So let's see what happens when the market gets to that level where we had specified that the market is going to reverse from. All right. So, still on the 5 minutes time frame, we have less than 4 minutes to the end of this current candle. And since the market, since the candles are close to our entry point, I think we should wait to see what will happen. All right. So let's wait for this opportunity. Let's see if the market is going to respect, the other block there. Right, less than 3 minutes. Less than 3 minutes to entry point. Okay, so just a minute and few more seconds to the end of this candle. Once the candle ends and trigger our entry, we're going to open position immediately. All right. So forex trading is all about getting, the point where you can join trends. Okay. So there's never a reversal. There's nothing like reversal. Okay. I always say this to my mentees that there's nothing like a reversal. The most important thing is the forex chart is a moving trend. Okay, so the forex chart is a moving trend. You just have to hop on the train. To the direction it's going. If it's going your direction, hop on. Okay, just hop in, and when you get to where you're supposed to drop, make sure you drop immediately. Okay, so it doesn't take you to another destination. So to another destination means so you don't lose your money. Okay, know exactly when to drop and know exactly when to get in. All right. So everything is calculation. Everything is target. Um. So yeah, few seconds left. Okay. So another candle is printing, and the previous one didn't get to where we wanted it to get to. Right. So the previous one didn't get to where we wanted it to get to. Okay. So we have less than 5 minutes to the end of the current candle. But before the end of the candle, I think we should quickly go back to Ethereum USDT because I believe it's also making moves towards our entry point. And yes, it's also making a move towards our entry point. So let's see if the market is going to trigger our entry. And once it does, we'll just go ahead and open position, you know, based on the analysis we've done on Ethereum USDT. Less than 4 minutes. Less than 4 minutes to the end of the current candle. All right. So 2 minutes to the end of this current candle. You're still on Ethereum USDT. So we want the market to trigger our entry. We want the candle to get inside this box, and preferably create a rejection candle. This is what a rejection candle looks like. You see, a long wick with a very small body. Okay, so these are rejection candle. This is also a rejection candle. This is another one here. So I want to see that happen, from this level. So once there's a rejection, it's a confirmation that the market will go down. All right. Then we can go ahead and open our sell position. Few seconds left to the end of the candle. So after this candle, we just go, if we still don't get confirmation, we just go, ahead and make analysis on other pair. I think we've spent too much time on BTC and Ethereum. Okay, so still didn't give us what we wanted. Now let's go to Ethereum, BTC. So it's the same thing for BTC USDT. All right, so let's analyze gold. Let's analyze the gold market and see what the market is currently up to. So look at the gold. See what gold has been up to. From this level, I wish we had caught this earlier. So while we were busy analyzing the crypto instrument, gold market was creating opportunities. All right. So gold was busy making moves, favorable moves. All right. So this right here would have been our entry point. Okay. So this could have been our entry point. Uh, so since this is a fair value gap, our entry point would have been on the 50%. My stop loss would have been here, and my take profit would have been on this first low. Okay, my second take profit would have been around this level. Okay, because I think this market is going to get to this point, or worst case scenario, the market would reverse from this fair value gap. So, guys, look at the um, trade we would have taken if we saw the entry earlier. So this could have been our profit. All right, so um, we've made analysis on BTC USDT. We made analysis on Ethereum USDT, and then we made analysis for XAU USD. We still didn't get any opportunity from all the analysis we made. So let's switch to the forex instruments. Let's see if the forex market is going to provide us the opportunity. So we took this trade last week. I think this was on Thursday. So, but we started, making profit on Friday. And then I told my premium members to secure their profit and, wait till I drop another signal. So then I dropped this one. The market almost hit my take profit level before it reversed back to this area. Okay, I think the market reversed last night, but didn't touch my stop profit though. It was just a drawdown, all right? But if you are in this market and you were not able to take uh, profit when the market got to this level, you still have the chance because the market is still running. So you can open your chart and make sure that you close the trade right now. Okay, close positions in profit if you haven't done so before. So this is my first take profit level. I have my second take profit, I think around here, and I'm expecting the market to go there. So you see the market didn't hit the stop loss. So yeah, let's continue to make analysis. So we also had analysis on Euro AUD. Okay. We also have analysis on Ethereum, Euro AUD. And this is from last week, but I think we can still use this because it aligned with what the market is saying here. All right, so let's drop down to the lower time frame. So this is the analysis we did on the high time frame, and it's very clear that the market is on uptrend. Okay, the market is on a strong uptrend. So even though we have, like so many points where the market had previously, consolidated, but the market movement is still towards the up direction, right? All right, so we have multiple areas where the market, faked out. So the best approach, to this kind of market is to wait for proper confirmation. Let's wait for this candle to finish printing. All right. So this is the 30 minutes time frame. Let's drop down to the 15 minutes time frame. So on the 15 minutes time frame, we have 5 minutes plus minutes to the end of this current candle. Okay, so we have less than 5 minutes now. Right, we have less than 5 minutes. All right, let's switch to let's use Euro CAD. Okay, let's go to the 1 hour time frame. So this is Euro CHF. We have a previous analysis on Euro CHF. So let's go to the higher time frame. Okay, I think this analysis was made last week. All right, and the market was still playing out. So let's go down to the lower time frame. This market is obviously a bullish trend, right? This is obviously a bullish trend, but we want to see if there's a level we can enter the trade. All right, so from this level to this level, we have a liquidity purge. Okay, and on this level, we have the market reversing. Okay, and the market is reversing because we have another block here. So we have another block, and the other block is causing the reversal in the current market movement. So you see, immediately the market got to the point where we have the other block. The market started making bullish moves immediately. Okay. Uh, but we still can't jump into this market. Okay, we still can't jump into this market just like that. All right. So this is the 15 minutes time frame of Euro CHF, and has gone the market has gone past where we should have entered the trade. So if we are to take this trade, this is where, so our take profit is going to be around this level. First take profit will be, let's say, here. Stop loss will be here because the market is going up. Okay, the market is still on the bullish move. So we have a very tiny, small fair value gap in here, and you see how the market, mitigated the fair value gap and even the other block below the fair value gap. All right, so guys, we can actually enter this trade. This is the 15 minutes time frame, Euro CHF. All right, so let's place a buy on Euro CHF. I'm just going to copy out the take profit and the stop loss for this trade. Okay. So we are in this trade, Euro CHF. So here is the take profit and the stop loss for this position. All right. So if the market is going to come down to this level, then that simply means that the market, is not going to buy. It means that the market will continue to go down. So where I have my stop loss is a level where I don't think the market should go back to. Okay, and as you can see right now, the market is already going in our favor. It's already heading towards the direction. My analysis is saying the market is going to go to. All right, so now let's go back to our previous analysis and see if any of them have started playing out. Okay. Oh wow, BTC USDT is currently on our entry point. All right, so it's currently on the level where we expect the market to sell for some minutes. So as you saw on the higher time frame, the market is obviously on an uptrend, right? So we want to be careful with our entry on the lower time frame. Our stop loss it's not going to be, we're not going to use this level as our stop loss. I think we're going to use this instead. All right. So we have a very small stop loss and our take profit, we can reduce it to this level. All right. So the previous candle has ended, but I'm still not comfortable with the rejection I got there. I'm not comfortable with the rejection. Okay, we have analysis on Ethereum USDT too. So Ethereum didn't just mitigate the fair value gap. Ethereum also went ahead, to mitigate this level. So you see, if we had uh, set a limit order on this trade, you see our order would have triggered. Okay, the market order would have triggered, All right, so I'm still looking at the market. I'm still looking at it to see if the market is really going to go down from that level. This is the crypto instrument, and you want to be careful, when making decisions. Make sure you have a concrete reason for going the direction you are going. Okay, those pairs are very volatile, and if care is not taken, you can easily lose your money to the market. So, when you want to analyze any crypto instruments, make sure you take extra time after analyzing. Make sure you take extra time to go through your analysis. Make sure that your analysis, even though it's not no analysis is 100%, okay, but make sure that you take another look at it before you actually open the position. Right? Most especially BTC, Ethereum, BNB, right? Those are very volatile instruments. Okay, so these are instruments that can shake your account if anything goes wrong. All right, so this is the 4 hour time frame, on Solana USDT, and on this 4 hour time frame, we have liquidity purge. We have a shift in the market structure, and the market is currently trading, from another block. Okay. So I'm going to be selling Solana USDT. Okay, and the reason is because if you look at this on the higher time frame, 4 hour time frame. Okay, let's go back to the 4 hour time frame. Let me quickly explain this. So on the 4 hour time frame, the market, we have this other block, and the market is, rejecting the other block. Okay, so even if this market is going to continue to go back up, this market is going to sell for a while. Okay, it's going to sell for at least 4 hours. Okay, before this continues to go to the initial direction. Okay, so we have this fair value gap here. I think this market is heading towards this fair value gap. So we can actually take advantage of this until it gets, to the fair value gap, right? Yes. So this is where my first take profit is. My second take profit is below the fair value gap. All right. So just be careful with your entry. Once you start making profit, make sure to close positions. All right. So guys, it's already 11 a.m. and we've come to the end of our live trading session for today. Join me again tomorrow. We'll continue from where we stop. All right. So make sure to secure profit once you start making profit. All right. And yeah, that'll be all for today. Enjoy the rest of your day and bye for now.